Okay, so let's imagine this. You're online, right? You type in a website address, maybe geeksforgeeks.org, hit enter.
And bang, the page just pops up almost instantly.
Exactly. Feels totally simple. But what's actually going on there in that split second? All that invisible stuff making the connection.
Yeah, it's one of those things, isn't it? So critical, but totally hidden for most users. It's like the plumbing of the internet.
Totally. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to unpack the domain name system, DNS.
Right, the internet's phone book,
It's
basically.
like a super smart GPS for the internet, guiding your request exactly where it needs to go.
That's a good way to put it, yeah.
Yeah.
Because the internet is huge, constantly changing.
For this deep dive, we're leaning on some really great info from Geeks for Geeks. They break down how this whole system works.
Mhm.
And our mission, really, is to demystify DNS for you. Show how those website names we all know.
Like Google.com or whatever.
Yeah, how they get translated into the numbers computers actually use to talk to each other.
And why that matters, for just browsing the web day to day.
Absolutely. So let's start with the problem DNS actually solves.
Okay, well, think about remembering IP addresses. Those strings of numbers like 142.250.190.14 for Google, for instance.
Right. Imagine trying to remember that for every site you visit. Forget it.
Exactly. It'd be impossible. We're just, better with names. Words.
So that's the core job of DNS then, translating the easy name, www.google.com.
Into the computer-friendly IP address, that 142 number.
And that translation is what lets my computer find the Google server out there somewhere.
Precisely.
Yeah.
It enables the connection. Without DNS doing that constantly, seamlessly in the background, well, the internet just wouldn't work like we expect it to.
Okay. So how does it do that translation? It can't just be like one giant list somewhere, can it? That sounds fragile.
No, definitely not. It's much smarter. It's set up as a hierarchical system, and it's distributed. Think of it like a huge branching tree.
A tree structure.
Yeah. So when your computer needs an IP address, the request kind of goes on a journey through different levels of this tree.
All right, so where's the first stop on this journey?
Often, it's really close by. Your own computer's local cache.
Cache. You mean like temporary memory?
Exactly.
Okay.
Your browser, your operating system, maybe even your router, they might have stored the IP address from the last time you visited that site.
Ah, okay. Like a little cheat sheet. That would speed things up, wouldn't it?
Definitely. Caching is huge for performance. But if the answer isn't in that local cache,
Then what?
then the request goes to something called a DNS resolver, or sometimes called a DNS client.
And that's usually run by my internet provider.
Typically, yeah. Your ISP provides one automatically. Think of the resolver as the main coordinator for the search.
Okay, coordinator. And what does it do first? Does it check anything else locally? The source mentioned